Hello, friends. Another episode of Introduction to Hypnotism Part 1D. In this episode, we will discuss techniques of hypnotism in Model 3. Preparation and environment. The environment in which hypnosis is conducted plays a pivotal role in its effectiveness. Creating a conducive environment ensures that the individual can relax, focus, and engage deeply in the hypnotic process. Here is a comprehensive look at crafting an environment that fosters successful hypnosis. A creating a conducive environment for hypnosis. Selecting a quiet and comfortable space. Choose a tranquil, quiet, and comfortable space free from distractions, interruptions, and external noises. This could be a dedicated therapy room, office, or another private area where the individuals feel safe, relaxed, and undisturbed. Adjusting lighting and temperature. Optimize the lighting and temperature of the environment to promote relaxation and comfort. Consider using soft, dimmable lighting, candles, or natural light to create a soothing ambience. Ensure that the room temperature is comfortable, neither too hot nor too cold, allowing the individuals to relax and maintain relaxed state throughout the session. Arranging seating or reclining options. Provide appropriate seating or reclining options that support relaxation, comfort, and accessibility. This could include a comfortable chair, reclining sofa, or therapeutic bed that accommodates the individual's preferences and needs. Ensure that the seating arrangement promotes proper posture, relaxation, and accessibility during the hypnotic session. Minimizing distractions and clutter. Eliminate potential distractions, clutter, or visual stimuli that could disrupt the individual's focus, concentration, or relaxation. Declutter the environment, or organize essential materials, and create a clean, orderly space conducive to relaxation, introspection, and deepening the hypnotic experience. Enhancing ambience and atmosphere. Enhance the ambience and atmosphere of the environment using calming elements, soothing colors, textures, scents, or sounds that promote relaxation, tranquility, and receptivity. Consider incorporating soft music, nature sounds, aromatherapy diffusers, essential oils, comfortable furnishings, or decorative elements that resonate with the individual's preferences and facilitate relaxation. Establishing trust and rapport. Build trust, rapport, and a supportive connection with the individual to create a safe, nurturing, and empathetic environment. Communicate openly, listen attentively, validate feelings, and demonstrate empathy, understanding, and respect throughout the preparation process. Encourage the individuals to express concerns, preferences, boundaries, or needs to tailor the environment to their comfort and enhance their readiness for hypnosis. Preparing material and resources. Gather and prepare essential materials, resources, tools, or props that support the hypnotic process. This could include script, induction, relaxation techniques, therapeutic interventions, visualization exercises, or props that facilitate engagement, focus, and responsiveness during hypnosis. Organize materials systematically Ensure accessibility and familiarize yourself with their use to facilitate a seamless and effective hypnotic experience. Conclusions. Creating a conducive environment for hypnosis is essential to optimize relaxation, focus, engagement, and responsiveness during the hypnotic process. By selecting a quiet and comfortable space, adjusting lighting and temperature, arranging appropriate seating or reclining options, minimizing distractions and clutter, enhancing ambience and atmosphere, establishing trust and rapport, and preparing materials and resources systematically, you can cultivate a supportive, nurturing, and effective environment for individuals seeking hypnosis. Commit to adapting the environment in align with the individual preferences, needs, and comfort, fostering a personalized and empowering experience conducive to achieving therapeutic goals and outcomes. Building rapport is a cornerstone of successful hypnotism. It establishes trust, facilitates communication, and creates a conducive environment for the individual to engage deeply in the hypnotic process. Developing a strong rapport with the subject sets the stage for collaboration, openness, comfort, and mutual respect. Here's a detailed exploration of building rapport. Active listening. Engage in active listening by attentively focusing on the subject's verbal and non-verbal communication. Demonstrate genuine interest, empathy, understanding, and presence by acknowledging, validating, and reflecting on their feelings through thoughts, concerns, experiences, and perspectives. Avoid interrupting, judging, or imposing interpretations, allowing the subjects to express themselves freely and feel heard, valued, and understood. Empathy and understanding. Cultivate empathy, compassion, and understanding towards the subject's experiences, emotions, challenges, aspirations, and perspectives. Demonstrate sensitivity, responsiveness, and support to acknowledge their feelings, validating their experiences, and demonstrating genuine concern, care, and respect. Establish a non-judgmental, empathetic, and compassionate connection that fosters trust, comfort, and openness throughout the hypnotic process. Building trust and confidence. Building rapport with the subject. Establish trust, confidence, and reliability by demonstrating integrity, transparency, authenticity, and professionalism in your interactions with the subject. Be consistent, dependable, respectful, and ethical in your behavior, communication, and approach. Honor commitments, maintain confidentiality, uphold boundaries, and prioritize the subject's safety, well being, autonomy, and interests, fostering a secure, respectful, and empowering relationship. Establishing clear communication. Foster clear, open, honest, and respectful communication with the subject to establish shared understanding, expectations, goals, boundaries, and collaboration throughout the hypnotic process. Encourage the subject to express their preferences, concerns, questions, feedback, and experiences, and actively listen, validate, address, and incorporate their input in ensuring alignment, satisfaction, and mutual respect. Demonstrating respect and autonomy. Recognize, respect, and honor the subject's individuality, autonomy, rights, choices, preferences, boundaries, and experiences throughout the hypnotic process. Avoid imposing beliefs, values, judgments, or expectations, and empower the subject to make informed decisions, set intentions, express consent, navigate experiences, and participate actively in their journey. Foster a partnership, collaboration, and empowerment that values and celebrates the subject's unique perspectives, experiences, and contributions. Creating a sportive and nurturing environment. Cultivate a sportive, nurturing, and safe environment that prioritizes the subject's comfort, relaxation, well-being, and encouragement throughout the hypnotic process. Demonstrate warmth, attentiveness, patience, encouragement, and reassurance by adapting strategies, techniques, and approaches to align with the subject's preferences, needs, experiences, and responses. Create a positive, affirming, and empowering atmosphere that enhances rapport, trust, receptivity, collaboration, and transformation. Conclusion. Building rapport with the subject is a foundational element of effective hypnotism, influencing trust, communication, collaboration, comfort, engagement, and outcomes. By practicing active listening, empathy, understanding, trustworthiness, clear communication, respect, and autonomy, and creating a supportive environment, you can establish a strong, respectful, empathetic, and collaborative relationship with the subject. Commit to fostering rapport throughout the hypnotic process, adapting your approach to align with the subject's unique needs, preferences, experiences, and goals, and cultivating a partnership that values respect and empowers the individual's journey towards healing, growth, transformation, and empowerment. Thank you very much.